Chapter 5, we're going to talk about gases. Yeah, lecture first here. So, breathing. Everybody breathing? Yeah? That's good. Ever stop and think about how that works? How does breathing work?
Sounds like a biology question.
It does sound a little bit like a biology question. We're just going to talk about it a smidge, and then we'll talk about the chemistry part. So this is an interesting fact. Fun fact. Every day you move about 8,500 liters of air in and out of your lungs. That's 25 pounds of air. Breathing is possible because your body can create a pressure difference between the air outside and the air in your lungs. And that pressure difference is what causes the air to go out and the air to come in. When your diaphragm goes down, it expands your lungs, and the pressure goes down, and that causes air from outside at higher pressure to flow in. Your diaphragm goes up, contracts your lungs, increases the pressure, and then the gas flows out to where the pressure is lower, and that's breathing. So what exactly is pressure? Well, pressure is defined as a force over an area, the force exerted per unit area. When we're talking about gas particles, the gas particles hitting a surface, when they hit the surface, they exert a force, and they do that over a specific area. So you can imagine that each of these teeny tiny gas particles hitting the surface is going to be a very, very small force. But there's a lot of them. That's an understatement. Gazillions and gazillions of them. And they're hitting the surfaces over and over and over and over again. And so that does add up to be significant. The pressure of a gas depends on several factors. It depends on the number of gas particles. If there are more gas particles, there's going to be more pressure. It depends on the volume of the container, and it depends on the average speed of the gas particles. So when you inhale, kind of jump the gun on this, the volume of your lungs increases, gas pressure decreases, and the external pressure causes the air to flow in.